How to draw Peridot from Steven Universe step by step. Hey, learn how to draw hub crew. So for the first step, we're going to begin by making what will be Peridot's gemstone. This will look similar to a triangle-like shape. Next, we're going to make the outline of Peridot's face. We're going to move slightly above the gemstone that we just made on the right hand side, and we're going to make an upside down L-like shape. Now moving to the left, we're going to begin to make the left side of the outline. We're going to bring this all the way over to the right side and eventually connect it to what we just made. When we get over to the right hand side, we're going to make a sharp edge. Now from this point, we're going to make a long diagonal line that will go past what we previously made. This is where we will make that sharp edge that I was previously discussing. And from here we'll make a long line that will connect. Now below and to the left of the gemstone, we're going to begin to make the first eye. We're going to begin by making a slanted small line with a circle attached. Now inside of the eye, we're going to add in another small circle that will be for the pupil, but we're not going to color this in black. Later on in the video, we'll color this in green. Great job! Now let's move slightly to the right and let's make a second eye. This will look just like how we made the first one. Now in between and below those two eyes that we just made, we're going to begin to add in a small nose. The nose will look similar to a less than sign. Now connecting from the left side of the face to the nose, as well as the right side of the face, we're going to make a line that will help separate the mouth from the rest of the face. Now right below the nose, we're going to begin to make a shape that will look similar to an M for the mouth. Great job! Now we're all done adding detail to the face. Now let's begin to draw the hair of Peridot. We're going to begin by making two lines, one on the left and one on the right hand side, although the one on the right hand side will have a sharp edge, just like we made previously. Wow, that looks awesome. Now we're going to go ahead and connect that big empty space that we have between those lines. It will look similar to a mountain. Whoa, so far this is coming along very well. Now we're all done with making the head of Peridot, so we're going to move below and we're going to begin to make the lower half of the body. We're going to start off by making the neck. We're going to do this by using two small lines that will be going down. They will be parallel lines. Now from these lines, we're going to begin to draw the shoulders. We're going to begin to make lines coming from those lines that we just made. They'll be going sideways. Now from the left hand side on that line that we just made, we're going to begin to make a long L-like shape that will be slightly curved. This will help make the torso. Now from that end point, we're going to make one small line that will be coming down. Great job! Next up, we're going to make the lower half of Peridot's torso. We're going to move slightly to the left and we're going to begin from there. This line will go up and then turn into a diagonal line, which will be sharp. Now inside of the empty space, below the head, we're going to begin to add in a diamond-like shape. Now to that diamond-like shape that we just made, we're going to add parallel lines connecting to the left and right side. This will almost make it appear as if it is like a necklace. Now, on the right side of the body, we're going to begin to draw the first arm and hand of Peridot. Now when we draw Peridot's fist, we're going to make it appear as if it is clenched. Great job learning how to draw Hub Crew. Next, we're going to move a little to the left and we're going to begin to make the first leg and foot of Peridot. On the bottom of the foot, we're going to add in a curved line. This will help separate the colors later on in the video. Moving above that curved line that we just made, we're going to add in a diamond-like shape towards the knee. Now we have to make the second leg of Peridot, so let's move a little to the left to make the second leg and foot. It will look just like the one that we just made. Now last but not least, we're going to make the second arm and hand of Peridot. This will be on the left side of the body. Last, let's add a little bit of detail to the fist so that we make it appear as if it is clenched. Thanks for watching on how to draw Hub. This is how to draw Peridot. Now stick around so that we can count our drawing together. Also, be sure to give this video a big like and subscribe if you enjoy watching videos just like this. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.